Hello. We're back. We had another summer this summer that and a whole lot of those. If you're watching this, you've probably dropped the Polo by now. But then look at that beauty, man. Look at that beauty. You can't even fault it. So I don't like the ride height. It's a 4x4 right now. So what we're gonna do is temper with the suspension, cause you know what? Warranty is for women anyway. If you want to ride a 4x4, go get a Hilux or Ranger or Isuzu D-Max. This is not our sponsored video though. Anyway, we got up and early to get to beat traffic, because you know living in Gauteng is a mission and a half. So anyway, we met up with our friend Fulu, who's in the Yaris that you can see in the front there. Really nice car. We saw this as soon as we got to Airlux suspensions. Whoa, what a beauty. So nonetheless, we got the car up on the ramps. We're gonna be installing coilovers, because we can't afford air suspension right now. But then if you guys want to sponsor us, let us know. We'll do an air suspension on this one. But then so far we went to the showroom side of Airlux just to see the kind of things that they offer there, and how much the pricing is and what's or not. So all of their air tanks, their compressors, the management systems, their bags, the single bellow, the sleeves, the double bellow, the triple bellow. I learned a lot from this experience. It was a really nice experience. Nonetheless, waited there for a few hours. Then they told us we're finally done with the Polo. Look at that. Look at the ride height. I know it's still a bit high right now. Still a bit high because we're trying to get the suspension to loosen up, let the car get used to how it's riding right now. But then I love it, man. I love it. It's a Grotman drop. This is what we're calling it, a Grotman drop. Nonetheless, see you guys on the next one, man. Shout out.